Good morning, boys.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
We'll wait for some more students to join. I hope you got the message in the classroom. There was slight confusion in the DA. Hope you read the post which I have done yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Boys, please turn on your videos. All happy faces in the morning. Okay. Boys, will start with the pre-assessment activity. You can go to the Nearpod and start your work. You have exactly 2 minutes time. Okay. Can you do the quiz? Om,
Yes, sir.
did you join?
Yes, I joined.
Okay, fine. You have exactly 1 minute left.
Sir, done.
Done? Okay, let's wait for others to complete.
Sir, done.
Done? Okay, good.
Sir, I've finished.
You finished. Okay, fine. Daniel is present today, right? Good morning, Daniel. What happened in the last class?
Sir, I didn't see the message in the group.
That the period got swapped. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, you have done the pre-assessment. Good. Now, can you identify the picture? Can you go analyze the picture and tell me what is the difference between the color of the leaves in the lower side and the upper side? I mean, some of the leaves at the basal part, you can see they are of dark green in color. Some are pale yellow in color. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is the reason? Can anyone tell me? Om, can you tell me what is the reason why that leaf appears yellow in color?
So it's maybe because they have less chlorophyll.
They have less chlorophyll. Why do you think they have less chlorophyll?
Sir, I'm not sure.
You're not sure.
Is it
Rivan,
because of the amount of water?
because of the amount of water. Okay, let's listen to Rivan. Rivan. Rivan, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Why do you think the leaves appear yellowish over here?
Sir, because of low water
Low
amount in
water.
the leaves.
Okay, fine. Let's listen to Devik. You have anything to answer?
Sir, it's less. They don't have true or much of chlorophyll in their parts.
They don't have chlorophyll. I agree. You remember last year we discussed two types of nutrients. There are two categories of nutrients required by the plants, depending on the amount. What are they actually?
Micro and
Micro and
Macro.
macronutrients. And what happened if there is a deficiency of these nutrients in the plant?
So there are some reactions which causes the plant to grow slowly or affects
Yes,
the
exactly.
plant
So
growth.
the
It will
plant
show
growth
symptoms.
symptoms, right? They show deficiency symptoms. So that is why you can see some of the leaves are pale yellow in color. So it's basically due to the deficiency of nitrogen. So what happens if there is less amount of chlorophyll in the plant?
They cannot prepare
The
food.
green
They
pigment.
cannot produce enough
One
food
at a
for the
time,
entire
boys.
plant.
Yes, they cannot prepare the food. So what you want to conclude with regard to chlorophyll and its role in photosynthesis?
It is necessary for producing food.
It is necessary for producing food, right? Very good. So that's the topic of our day. To investigate that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis, we are going to use virtual lab resources. Okay, so we'll go through the activity first, then discuss and complete the task assigned to you. Okay, let's watch a video how to investigate that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. Boys, you need to watch it very carefully, analyze each and every step, then we will have a small discussion about it. Okay, are you all ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine. Have you all started watching it? Please show me a thumbs up sign. Good, good, Halim. You'll watch it carefully.
Yes.
Okay, so Anuj, can you just tell me what was the first step involved in the experiment? What type of plant did the experimenters select for it?
So they selected a coleus plant, which is a variegated plant.
Which is having variegated leaves, right?
Yeah, variegated leaves.
Yes, okay.
It
Then-
has both green and non-green parts.
Okay.
And
So, yeah, you proceed with the explanation. Okay, what are the steps involved in it? What you watched over there?
so they took the leaf and traced it on a sheet of paper.
No. Before that, okay, you said that they took a plant with variegated leaves. What was the next stage? Okay.
So they traced it on a paper.
Let's listen to Daivik. After selecting the potted plant, what was the next step?
After they took the potted plant, now they kept it in a dark room for
Okay.
say about 3 days.
Okay.
Then Then they place the potted plant in a place where there is abundant sunlight for a long time.
Okay.
Then now a leaf is that potted plant,
Okay.
and then it is
After plucking the leaf, what was the next stage? Okay, let's move to Anu. Yeah, Anak, you
Sir?
want to add anything?
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
after they take the leaf, they boil it in hot water.
Okay, fine.
So after boiling it in hot water, then they again boil it in alcohol solution.
Okay.
So after that, the green pigment gets dissolved, like in the.
Let's,
After that, they take it out and then they dip it in cold water and then they keep it on the paper. After that, they put the iodine solution on it. Then
right.
they can see that it turns into purplish color in the place where it used to be green outside, like before.
Is it purple or bluish black in color? What was the color exactly? It's
Yes, sir,
actually,
it's
yes,
bluish.
it's bluish black in color, right? So that is a
Yes,
positive indication for which molecule in that particular part of the leaf. What is
sir.
chlorophyll is present, and if chlorophyll is present, what is manufactured there? Aban?
Starch.
Aban.
So, starch.
Starch is manufactured, right? So I hope boys, you all are very clear with the steps involved in it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so the first process was a destarching, then keeping it in sunlight, then plucking the leaf, boiling in water, then
So boiling in alcohol.
alcohol, then iodine test, right?
iodine solution.
Okay, now
Iodine
there
test.
is an activity assigned for you in the Google Classroom. I'm going to divide you into 4 rooms. You can have a group discussion in your room and find out the answers for the questions assigned to each room. And one member from each group will consolidate your answer and type it in the nearpod tiles. Is it clear? I don't want all of you to sit and type the answer. You can have a joint discussion and one member will write your conclusion in the board. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can check your Google Classroom for the task assigned to each group. Okay? See you exactly after 6 minutes. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Boys, have you started working on the task?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's very clear, right? You need to rearrange the steps of the experiment. You just need to pick the correct alphabets and put it in the right order. Clear? Anak,
Yes, sir.
can you listen to me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
So you need to do the work, okay? You have exactly 5 minutes time. If any doubts, feel free to call me in between, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Boys, are you able to follow the questions? Rivan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts on the questions?
So where
No, sir.
Okay. So you can discuss, okay? We can discuss among yourselves. I think Rivan can post it in the nearpod session. The answers.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Any doubts? Feel free to call me. I'm leaving the room.
Yes, sir.
Boys, are you able to follow the questions? Devik?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
I hope you can continue with your work. There is no need of my help, right?
Yes,
No,
Okay.
sir.
If anything is there, feel free to call me. Okay, I will come. Continue with your work. Good luck.
sir.
Boys, are you able to go through the questions?
Yes, sir, we finished everything.
You finished? Did you start typing in the nearpod?
Now, sir, Krish is going to start.
Okay, Krish is going to do. That's fine. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
So the fourth one, sir, is it the presence of
What does the presence of starch on a leaf indicate? Suppose if starch is present, what does it indicate there?
So that photosynthesis has taken place, right?
Yes, that's it.
So, but then it
So,
says
but
why?
what do you have to write in why? Like,
Why did it take place? What was present there to take for the photosynthesis?
Chlorophyll was
Chlorophyll,
present.
sunlight.
Chlorophyll.
Yes.
Wait, so it indicates that photosynthesis has taken place, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Sir, the first one. Wait.
Yes. What was the question?
Sir, this. Sir, this first one.
Yeah. Although photosynthesis equation shows the sugar as a product, leaf is not usually tested for sugar. What could be the reason? What happens to the sugar which is not used in the plant? What it will be converted to something and stored, right? Yes, Anuj.
Yes.
So what will happen to the sugar? It will be converted into the excess sugar will be converted into what and stored in plants? You have attempted the pre-assessment question. There was one question, right?
So starch.
That's
Starch.
That's it. That's the reason we are not able to test for sugars, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Boys, you were able to complete the task?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I can see some of you have done it very nicely. Okay. How was the activity? You all enjoyed it? Somebody from group one. Group one, what was the task assigned to you? I know some of you have not completed it. You can still complete it once we finish the session and post it in the Google Classroom. Okay. So Anak, what was the task? You were in which group?
So I was in group 1.
Group 1. And what was the task?
So it was to rearrange the following activities.
Okay, I think you people have submitted the task. Well done, right? Okay. Now coming to group 2. Anybody from group 2 can break room?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Dhruv, what was the question assigned to you?
So we have 4 questions. Out of which
Okay.
the first one was a
Yes.
plant was a variegated leaf as a starch removed from its
Okay, that
leaves
was
by
an
placing-
MCQ, right?
Yeah. No, sir. The question, the final part of the question was which part of the leaf contains starch?
Yes, exactly. Which part of the leaf contains a starch? Okay. So you have done it correctly. Now, what is the purpose of boiling the leaf in hot water?
It is to
To
kill
kill
the
the leaf.
It is to kill the leaf. Anyone else want to supplement with that question? Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
by boiling, by keeping it in boiling water, it stops down the metabolic activities of the leaf.
Okay, very good.
Somewhat loosens the cell wall also.
Okay, very nice. So once the cell wall is loosened, what is the advantage? What is the advantage if the cell wall is loosened or cell wall is softened?
So the cell can shrink or get.
The cell will rupture and the chlorophyll will
Yeah,
flow
it
back
can
out
rupture.
into the
Exactly.
solution.
So exactly. So it will be easy for the chlorophyll to come out, leak out of the cell, right? Good, good. Any other explanation you want to add? What is the advantage of breaking the cell wall? Something related to the final stage of the experiment. Think about what is the final stage of the experiment? What did we add?
Iodine solution.
Adding solution, right? And how does killing the cell or damaging the cell wall help in the last stage of the experiment?
So the iodine takes place the presence of chlorophyll in the leaf.
That means iodine can easily move into the cells, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Some of you have done the task very well, I can see. Now, there is one question for you. Why was the plant kept in the dark before the start of the experiment? You can try answering it quickly. Done it?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here's a question for you. Can you all see the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why is the variegated
sir.
leaf used to prove that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis? You have 1 minute time, quickly type the answer. Done? You can see Abhinav giving the answer. Sanjay, Mukul, very nice. Dhruv, Halim, good, good. 30 seconds left. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Anuj,
Yes, sir.
can you just summarize what we discussed?
So we proved that chlorophyll is necessary for photo.
Okay.
By taking a potted plant with variegated leaves.
Okay.
And we took the plant because we took the variegated leaves because it has both green and non-green parts.
1 second. Boys, are you listening? Sanjay, I hope you are on the right track. Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
Are you listening to what Anuj is explaining?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Good, good. Yes, Anuj, please continue.
Yeah, so we keep the plant in the dark for 3 days so that the plant consumes the starch which was produced earlier.
Okay.
And then we keep it in sunlight for 3 hours so that it produces new starch.
Okay.
Then we keep the plant. Then we pluck a leaf from the plant and mark the green areas and trace it on a piece of paper.
Okay.
Then we dip it in boiling water for a few minutes, and then we dip it in an alcohol solution so that the green color.
1 minute. Let me pause for a minute. You must have observed that we were using a water bath in that experiment. I think that question was assigned to group 3, right? Can anyone tell me why did we use a water bath here?
a constant temperature.
To maintain a constant temperature. Okay. Anyone else would like to add on? Why did we keep the test tube with the alcohol in a water bath or in a beaker rather than keeping it directly on the fire?
Your alcohol is a volatile liquid, so it would catch fire or it would
Very
evaporate.
good. It's highly inflammable, right? Can catch fire quickly. So to prevent it, we usually use a water bath. And as you rightly pointed out, we use the water bath to maintain a constant temperature. That's nice. Okay, Anuj, please continue.
Yeah, and then we keep it in alcohol, and we observe that the green color turns to the chlorophyll is washed down by the alcohol, and it becomes colorless.
Okay.
It becomes colorless, and we now dip it into a solution of iodine.
Okay.
And we observe
One
that
minute.
the green color part.
You need to wash the leaf before dipping it in iodine solution, right?
Yeah, with cold water.
Yes, fine. Okay, continue.
We observe that the green color part, the colorless part, becomes a bluish in color,
Okay.
and we can conclude that the green color part produces starch, and since chlorophyll is in the green color part, so the chlorophyll containing part only produces the starch.
Okay,
And,
so the green part of the variegated leaf turns into which color? Anmol? Anmol and Dhruv? Are you there? Dhruv, can you turn on your video, please? Yes. Okay. So what will be the color change in the green part of the leaf when we do with the iodine test?
So it becomes bluish black.
Why it becomes bluish black in color?
Due to the presence of starch.
Due to the presence of starch, right. Okay, so I think we have come towards the end of the class. You can see how nicely you have done your task also. Some of you have clearly explained it. Group 2 has completed the task. I request other groups also to complete it and post it in the Google Classroom. Okay. Now, I don't think much work is assigned to you for the next week. This is the assignment tracker. I just had a look into it. So I'm giving you a small homework. You have to go through the contents in the Google Classroom again, and you need to submit it by 24th. I hope its instructions are very clear. I have posted what you need to do it over the weekend, and you can post it in the Google Classroom. Okay.
Or is it that experiment we need to do on this?
There is no experiment. You need to go through the contents, analyze the steps involved in the experiment, and arrive at the conclusion. Okay. So let's have the daily assessment. Are you all ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Here goes the daily assessment. You can start doing it. Let's see how many of you are able to score full marks. Are you all working on the quiz?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to enlarge the picture, you can click on the picture, okay? Ubedullah, you finished?
Yes, sir.
Sorry when I finished.
Okay, good.
So even I finished.
Okay, good. 1 second, let me just see how many of you have done it. I'm just waiting for all of you to complete the task. Done, boys? So I hope you were able to engage with your friends today. How was the activity? Hopefully when the school reopens, we will be able to do it in the lab, okay? We can do it as a live experiment in the biology lab.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, boys. Have a good day. Take care. Happy weekend. You can leave the meeting now, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Welcome.
Yes, sir.